Okay, so I'm just going to make another video here. It's just further refinement. I was looking at my final design there, and there was kind of like an indentation on the chest below the red cross there. So I want to show you how I would do that. And I know you know this, it's just review, okay? Tab in, okay? Let's zoom in here. Let's bring our edge loop on. Okay, let me just open this up here. Loop cut, like that. Boom, and don't let go. Come down and say somewhere here. So click and just maybe up here, like that. Okay, I did my 2 loop cuts, walk away. Come back to face. Okay, thank you for the other video is ready. Let's go. So thanks for taking over my screen. And then boom, there's my loop. I just held Option or Alt on Windows, and then that's loop. So now we need to come in here and use the old extrude. Not out, but in. Okay, just a bit like that. So if you want to do these kind of things, I think proportionally, I think it's a little off here. So I should have done it in retrospect a little lower. Maybe I'll just do that right now. Okay. Watch this. Loop cut, and then boom, and I'll bring it somewhere over here, and I'll do another one over here, and just leave it like that. That's fine. Okay, let's do it again. Come back. Face Option, left click, and we'll go to bevel. Again, it's the third bevel. Okay, make sure you're in the third one. And then left click, and then going inwards, push inwards, okay? Let's say I did that and I liked it. I could have had a second material for it, that's later. We don't need to do any materials for this at this point, okay? So tab, and what I can do is, I haven't saved yet, Command Shift S, let's just go here. I don't want anything to crash, right? Okay, so, edge loop, zoom in. Option, left click, and then we go to bevel. Okay, just a small bevel there, see, like that, boom, and then I'll just add a 1 here, so it'll be 2. I'll spin around, I'll do the same thing over here, but I have to see it first. So I'm holding middle scroll, and then I'm going to hold Option or Alt, left click, and there's the entire loop. And what you could have done is, you know, when you do these things, folks, you can look down here and see the number. If you want this to be some even, you just look at that number. If it was whatever it is, let's say this is 0.01, 0.02, for example, right? Or let me just make that 0.015, maybe too much, yeah. What I could do is next time I do, I create another bevel, I can use that same input number, the width, right? So that's how you can get symmetry in a sense, which I think you should be careful when you do that. Okay, so let's do another, just for fun, okay? I'm going to insert a loop cut here, and I'm just going to go in here and just get out, and I'm just going to pick a face, and I'm going to say this face, and this face, and maybe this face. I don't know, that's too symmetrical, isn't it? Whatever. So we're going to do extrudes, okay? So you see now I can create little buttons is what I'm trying to say, okay? So I want to just keep it like this. So I'll just come, actually, this one will be indented. Nice. And then I'll take these 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and I'll have these pushing outwards like that. See? And then you guys can color it, do whatever you like, and I can come in here now and bevel it into stuff like that. Okay, so here you can see there's a bunch of options. Offset, width, and so forth. Okay, I'll just leave it for now. This is more than enough. Okay, so you can see now I have a potential of coming in here if I wanted to and say I can add a color here. I can make these red, 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 and this will be blue inside, so it kind of pops. Okay, all right, how long was this one? Okay, 4 minutes, not bad. Okay, we'll leave it like this for now. Let's see, can I just come in here and let me see here, see something. Yeah, it's fine. We'll leave it like this for now. Okay. I wanted to come in here and use, where's my ambient? Oh yeah, ambient occlusion. That looks sweet. I'll make a video on this anyway. Okay, I think this is good. I'm very happy with it. Okay, and we'll deal with that part. Tab 3. Let me just make this a little smaller. I'll just press I for inset, just go like that, and then I'll press E for extrude, and I'll push inwards like that. Okay, like that. Okay, cool. All right, Balian out. Thank you. I hope this was informative.